Welcome to Language Hut. In this video deals with poetic device, that is rhyme, simile, metaphor, personification, alliteration, etc. in this video. Let's get started. First one, rhyme. It means correspondence of sound between words or the ending of the words, especially when these are used at the end of the lines of poetry. So, example for this meet great, nearest dearest, fender bender, blame game. And next one imagery. Imagery is descriptive language used to appeal to our reader senses touch, taste, smell, sound, and sight. By adding these details, it makes our writing more interesting. For example, the roaring thunder frightened the little boy. Glittering white, the blanket of snow covered everything in sight. And next, simile. Simile is a literary term where you use like or has to compare two different things and show a common quality between them. It is known as simile. For example, she moved like a deer, as strong as an ox. And next one, metaphor. A metaphor is simply a statement where you are saying that one thing is another. For example, life is a roller coaster. You are my sunshine. Alliteration. Alliteration is a figure of speech in which the same sound repeats in a group of words. For example, Bob brought the box of bricks to the basement. Here, B sound is repeated throughout the statement. And next one, hyperbole. It means hyperbole is a figure of speech in which an author or speaker purposively and obviously exaggerate to an extreme. For example, the new iPhone is bigger than bigger. And next one, I had to wait in the station for 10 days, an eternity. Next one, rhythm. Rhythm is a literary device that demonstrates the long and short patterns through stressed and unstressed syllables, particularly in verse form. For example, Nina liked the ball in the mall. How do you pray looking at the tray? And next one, oxymoron. An oxymoron is a figure of speech in which two contradictory terms or ideas are intentionally paired in order to make a point, particularly to reveal a deeper or hidden truth. For example, only choice, same difference, friendly fire. And next one, metonymy. Metonymy is a figure of speech in which a thing or concept is not called by its own name, but by the name of something intimately associated with that thing or concept. For example, Joe's new ride was expensive. Here, ride is metonymy for car. I met him at the reception when he took me for a spin during a slow song. Spin is metonymy for dance. And the next, onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia refers to words whose pronunciation imitate the sounds they describe. For example, a dog's bark sound like wow wow and cat sound like meow. And next one, personification. Personification is a kind of metaphor in which you describe an inanimate object, abstract thing, or non human animal in human terms. For example, sometimes the sun smiles, The wind whispered to the tree, and the shadows of the leaves dance in the wind. Hope you guys understand this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.